Are you frustrated with an old lawnmower that struggles to get the job done? We've all been there. Wrestling with a stubborn machine that leaves uneven patches or runs out of juice too soon. Well, it's time for an upgrade. Today we're counting down the top 5 best lawnmowers that will make yard work faster and easier. Check the description for links, and let's get started. Kicking off at number 5 is the Makita XML11 CT1 self-propelled lawnmower. If you're ready to ditch gas, this electric powerhouse is a game changer. It runs on 4 LXT 5.0 amp-hour batteries, giving you up to 40 minutes of mowing time. That's plenty of time to get the job done. It also has a powerful 3,000 RPM motor for quicker cuts. And the best part? You can adjust the speed between 1.5 and 3 megas per hour to suit your pace. If you've got a sloped or uneven yard, don't worry. This mower's rear-wheel drive technology is designed to improve traction and help you maneuver those tough spots with ease. Plus, it's lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended periods of time. Oh, and did I mention it's whisper quiet? That means no more waking up the neighbors or worrying about disturbing your peaceful mornings. It's perfect for those who enjoy a quiet, calm lawn care routine. Now, there are a couple of things to consider. Some users have mentioned that the battery life can be a bit short on larger lawns, especially if you have thick grass. Additionally, if you're really into mulching, you might find the capacity a little lacking. But if you've got a medium-sized, well-maintained lawn, this mower will work like a charm. Thinking about making the switch from gas to electric? This mower is a perfect stepping stone. Just don't forget to fully charge those batteries before you start mowing. Nobody likes that moment when you run out of juice mid-lawn. Coming in at number 4 is the Husqvarna LE322 Cordless Push Lawnmower. If you're looking for powerful performance with less hassle, this all-in-one kit might be your perfect match. It includes 2 7.5 amp-hour BL30 batteries that deliver about 30% longer runtime compared to other models, meaning more mowing, less charging time. The brushless motor makes cutting through thick grass a lot easier. And best of all, it's quiet and produces 0 emissions. One of its standout features is its multiple cutting modes: sensing, mulching, and max power, giving you the flexibility to handle whatever your lawn throws at you. Plus, you can adjust the speed up to 4 miles per hour, so you can mow at your own pace, whether you're in a hurry or enjoying a slower, more relaxing yard care session. And if space is tight, its compact foldable design makes storage a breeze. That said, there are a few things to consider. The LED headlights are helpful for low light conditions, but do drain the battery a bit faster than expected. Some users have mentioned that the sensing mode can be inconsistent on uneven terrain, so that's something to keep in mind. And while this mower is well built, it does come with a higher price tag compared to other options. If your yard has steep inclines or lots of obstacles, the self-propulsion system may struggle a little, and the turning radius isn't the most nimble. However, if you've got a medium to large yard with mostly flat terrain, you'll find it delivers consistent, reliable performance. At number 3, we've got the Toro Recycler 21466 self-propelled lawnmower. If you're tired of fiddling with knobs and levers, this mower's personal pace auto drive system might just be what you need. No adjustments needed, just grab the handle and it automatically matches your walking speed. How cool is that? The Recycler cutting system with Vortex technology ensures better airflow for more efficient mulching and bagging. And speaking of bagging, the Super Bagger makes things super easy with features like easy lifting, no shake pouring, and quick cleanup. The high-performance brushless DC motor means less friction, which equals lower maintenance, more time enjoying your lawn, and less time spent fixing things. On a full charge, it can tackle up to 1/3 of an acre in 40 minutes or less, which is impressive for a battery-powered mower. Users rave about its smooth handling and consistent cut quality. It really delivers. But here's what you should keep in mind. A few users have had issues with the battery charging, with some receiving units where the battery was dead out of the box. Also, depending on your grass conditions, the runtime can fluctuate. Taller, thicker grass can shorten it. And if you're mowing wet grass, expect the battery life to drop even more. The height adjustment works great, but it can feel a bit stiff when it's new. And while the personal pace feature is super innovative, it does take a little getting used to. You might accidentally speed up or slow down until you get the hang of it. Have you tried a mower with auto drive? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. And stick around, more awesome mowers are coming up. Coming in at number 2, we've got the Greenworks 21-inch brushless cordless lawnmower. If you're looking for a powerful, quiet, and efficient mower, this could be your perfect match. With its 40-volt self-propelled motor, it delivers up to 45 minutes of runtime on the included 5.0 Ah battery. Plenty of time to tackle your yard with ease. The brushless motor not only lasts longer than traditional motors, but also delivers more torque, all while operating super quietly. You'll barely even notice it running. One of the best features, 7-position height adjustment, so you can adjust the cut to perfection for any lawn condition. Plus, with its 3-in-1 design, you get rear bagging, side discharge, and mulching capabilities. Talk about flexibility. The rear-wheel drive adds extra traction, making it a breeze to handle challenging terrain. And if you're tight on space, the vertical storage saves up to 70% of your storage space. Super handy if your garage is already packed. What's even better? This mower is virtually maintenance-free. No gas, no oil, no emissions. It starts instantly and provides the kind of power you'd expect from a gas mower, but with a fraction of the noise. However, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The battery life can vary based on lawn conditions and mowing style. Some users have found the self-propulsion can be a bit too powerful when mowing downhill, making it trickier to control. And while the vertical storage is a huge space saver, some users note that the handle locking mechanism can loosen up over time. And now for our number 1 choice, the best lawnmower on the market today, the Ego Power Plus 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. This mower is exceptional. Powered by 2 56-volt 4.0 Ah arc lithium batteries, it gives you up to 65 minutes of runtime on a single charge. That's enough to tackle most residential lawns without worrying about running out of juice halfway through. The variable speed self-propulsion lets you adjust your pace between 1.3 to 3.1 mph, so you can mow at whatever speed feels most comfortable for you. And with 6 cutting height positions, ranging from 1.5 to 4 inches, you'll get that perfectly manicured lawn you've been dreaming of. Plus, the 3-in-1 functionality gives you the flexibility to mulch, bag, or use side discharge, whatever works best for your lawn. Starting it is as easy as pressing a button, and the bright LED headlights make it simple to use even in low light conditions. The 2-bushel grass collection bag handles large volumes, so you won't have to stop and empty it constantly. It cuts through all grass types, including the tougher ones like St. Augustine, Bermuda, and Zoysia, no problem at all. However, here are a couple of things to keep in mind. While the weather-resistant construction is tough, it's still best to store this mower in a covered area to keep it in top shape. Some users have mentioned that the self-propulsion can feel a little jerky when starting from a complete stop. And while the batteries last longer than most, replacement batteries are a bit on the pricey side. That wraps up our review of the top 5 best lawnmowers. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more home improvement tips. Be sure to check the description for links to all the products we've mentioned. Thanks for watching.